Hi everyone. In the last video module, we saw how to use a drop-down control and a fixed size list control. In this video module, we will see how to insert a input box control. So let's go to control, add a control and click input box control and we'll click here. Okay. We'll remove this drop-down list control, and in this input box control, the only option available is the control field. So let's have our region as the control field. I'll just drag and drop region here. Now my region as a control field is displayed in this input box control. When I go to view, I can see like this, and all the values displayed here can be made to display according to the value which we are typing here. For example, if I just type as central region, then all the data in this report becomes dependent on the central region's sales value and profit values. Okay. One thing to note is that instead of capital CENTRAL, if he type small c with central, then no data is shown. This simply means that all the values which are entered in this input box control are case sensitive. So because of this limitation, as well as we need to remember all the categories in region, this input box control is difficult to use and it's not used commonly. Just imagine about subcategory. If my input box control is made for a subcategory, then it's difficult for me to remember all the 17 names available here. Okay, hence this is less commonly used, but still we should be aware of the option called input box control. So that's all for this video. We'll catch up in the next one. Thank you.